Pionex saw that I have a thing for crypto bots, and they asked me to put their bots to the test. And after some research, I put $10,000 of my own money into Pionex's Bitcoin Moon Bot.
A few moments later.
All right, the results are in. I got my lucky shirt on. It's almost midnight. I'm feeling good about this. So let's go ahead and check out this bot. Here we are on Pionex. And first I want to just show the grids real quick. So if I click this eye icon, we can see all of the individual grids. So basically you can read this. The green are buy orders at various prices for Bitcoin's price, which you can see right here. And then the red are sell orders. So if the price drops down, then it would go ahead and buy some Bitcoin at these varying price ranges here. And if it goes up, it would start selling. And that's kind of how that grid works. You know, buying, selling, and then you make money on that volatility. And then from here, if I click detail, this is where we're going to see all the profits and all that exciting jazz. So here we have the investment amount. The grid profit, this is realized profit, which is $47. And you can see this bot has been running for 16 days, 13 hours, 43 minutes, and 53 seconds as of the recording of this. The unrealized profit as of right now is $216. And that makes the total profit, being both the realized and unrealized, to $263, 2.63% in about 16 days. And then we can see the annualized amount here. Now, there's one thing that I want to point out. When I started this bot, I started it on a pretty terrible time. I started when Bitcoin was high. Bitcoin literally hit a new record the day I was starting this bot. And then it had a couple days where it was not doing so hot. And there was one point where I was down like 4 or 5%. I think it was like 4.5%. So it had to climb out of that hole. And I didn't check it for like this whole period because I was like, you know, it's just running. It's just in there. It's just running. I understand how the bots work. And it climbed itself out of this hole, and you can see it got up to about break even for a few days here, and then it really started doing well. And there was another little sell-off on Bitcoin, but you can see that flattened out, and the bot is doing all right now. And this is fluctuating between 2.5% and about 2.75%. So really not bad considering that there was a significant sell-off right after I bought and a significant sell-off yesterday. So no complaints there. Now, if we go further through here, we can see the placed orders. This is kind of fun to watch, honestly. So this is just how far the price is either to buy or sell, and you can see the varying prices here. I've spent a few minutes just staring at this because it's kind of fun to watch. And then we have the transactions tab here, which is just the buy and sell orders that have already gone through. And here are the bot parameters that we set up this bot with. Also, here's what it looks like on the mobile app, because I know a lot of people like to use the mobile version, and it's pretty easy to use. I was using both through this experiment. So I'm pretty happy with the results of this experiment. Like I said, especially given that the first day was pretty rough, the first few days, and there was another sell-off. So I have no complaints there. I really don't have any complaints with the UI. But again, just be aware that, of course, there are risks. If the market goes down, your bots are also going to go down, but it just flattens out some of those risks. If you have any questions at all, make sure you comment those down below. And you can also join my Discord, where we have an entire bot section just to discuss trading bots on our Discord. Also, if you're interested in Pionex, make sure you grab the link down in the description so you can save 20% on trading fees and try these out for yourself. So I'd like to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a profitable day. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.